What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole and I make mostly plus size fashion videos. However, I do dabble in the occasional vlog and beauty type of a video. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, definitely hit that subscribe button and join our fam. Today's video is in partnership with Halara, so thank you so much to you for sponsoring this video. They have sent me some items to share with you guys. I've tried every piece on and I give my honest thoughts and opinions on them, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. I would say about 6 months or so ago, I ordered a pair of Halara stretch black cargo pants, and they are hands down one of my favorite pairs of pants. If I'm not wearing my black skinny jeans, if you know, you know, I'm wearing those. Obsessed with them. They are so cute, so comfortable, so stretchy. I just love them. So before I get into trying all of these amazing pieces on, I wanted to share with you guys something that I think you might enjoy. So there is something called Halara Circle, and it is a program that Halara has put on where you, the customer, can sign up for an account, go through and pick items that you might want to receive, test out, try out, wear, in exchange for your honest opinions and your honest review. They then take that feedback and those reviews of everyone who was chosen for that round, and it's directly influenced on pieces that they make and create in the future to sell on their site. I just think that's so amazing that they actually listen to the customer and take that into consideration when making new pieces. So there are limited spots. They do it monthly though, so definitely sign up, and good luck to all of you guys. One last thing before we get in. Like I said, all this will be in the description box. Halara was nice enough to give me a coupon code for you guys for 15% off. Use the code Nicole332 and it'll save you some coin. Okay, I think I've given you guys all the good info. Let's get into this haul. So I feel like Halara is mainly known for their athleisure, like I mentioned. Leggings, yoga pants, the dresses that look like this. Come on, I feel like these have been so popular lately. If you know, you know. But I was really browsing the website and they have like other clothing as well. I know they had like everyday wear and workwear, but I didn't know they had stuff like this. And I was shocked. I was so excited. Look at this dress. It is beautiful. Look at this beautiful brown colored velvet, very stretchy dress. This dress is super heavy duty. I feel like it has some weight to it, but it is so comfortable on, so adorable on. I just feel like this would be such a cute dress to wear like casually or even like to a wedding. Living for it. This color is everything. That's another thing about the Halara website is if you see something you like, they most likely have it in so many different colors. So that's really great. And they're also known for their items being not see-through. So you don't ever have to worry about that. But this dress here cinches in at the waist. It does have some ruffles here down at the bottom. Such a beautiful color, like I mentioned. I picked this dress up in a 3X and I thought the fit was absolutely perfect. I then picked out 3 pairs of denim because I was very curious. I feel like I always see the denim on TikTok and I wanted to try them out for myself. So the first pair that I got was this like black, a little bit like of a faded black pair of denim. They are skinny jeans, so they're definitely like skin tight. This material is, I don't even know how to explain it. It's almost like a jegging, but like so soft and comfortable. I really like it a lot. The waistband is thick. These jeans stay up when I walk in them. There are no actual pockets in the front, but the back pockets are real, so keep that in mind. If you're not a fan of that, maybe these are not for you. But I got these in a 3X. I thought the fit was great and I thought they looked really nice as well. I picked up the same denim, but in this deep blue color. Once again, it's the same pair of jeans as the last. Very comfortable, very stretchy. I really like the way these ones look as well. And I also picked these up in a 3X. Okay, the last pair of denim that I picked up, it's made of the same material, but it's a different style of jean. So it's made of this like light wash color material, and it does have actual like real pockets in the front as well as real pockets in the back. And these have a wide leg, like a pretty wide leg. So comfortable. Same exact really stretchy material as the last 2 pairs. I like these ones a lot as well, and I picked these up in a 3X. I thought the fit was honestly perfect. I saw this like workout tank on their site and I wanted to try it out. I picked it up in white. They did have other colors though. It is ruched on both sides. Did I mention this is cropped? I think I did. But it's just a basic white high neck tank. Wearing a sports bra under it for a workout I think would be best bet. I wore like a regular bra and that's probably not the move, but very comfortable, very, very stretchy, and I really liked this one a lot as well. If you guys have been looking for a pair of leggings or a pair of yoga pants and just have not been successful, I got you. I literally took the tag off and then had to bring it back in here because I wanted to read to you what this magic is. Okay, it's a pair of what you would think are just your regular black leggings, black yogas, but the cut of the waist kind of comes down to a V formation. They are high-waisted, which I have to have high-waisted. There are pockets, which is so nice to have, and the material literally feels buttery soft, like so freaking soft. I cannot express that or explain that enough. It literally almost feels like you're wearing nothing. Like, it's just so comfortable. I was slightly worried when I first got them in the mail because the waistband, it's a thick waistband in the sense that it's like a few inches thick, but there's not another piece of like elastic running through it. And typically I need that for my pants to stay up. Otherwise, when I walk, they start sliding down and it is the most annoying thing in the world. However, these do not do that. They hug my curves perfectly and they are so comfortable. I'm getting on the website and ordering more of these. So they are called Softlyzero and it's designed as our signature fabric that's weightless and buttery soft. It's the closest thing you'll get to wearing nothing. It says buttery soft, breathable, 4-way stretch, and sweat absorbing. Could we get better here? I don't think these really could get any better. I just love them. So comfortable. It's something that you almost have to just try out for yourself. Highly, highly, highly recommend you guys trying these out. They are so freaking unreal soft. I love them. Okay, these last two items, I think there may have been a slight misunderstanding with the sizing, so I was accidentally sent a 2X in these next two. This first one, I still tried on. I think I would have preferred one size up, but they're like a looser pant in general, so I was like, let me just go ahead and try these on. These are more of a pant that you would wear to work. They look like a nice, like, women's slacks almost. I don't know how to explain it, but they have pockets. They have a little pleat here in the front, which I feel like just adds to the, like, the professional look. The waistband is really thick and sturdy and stretchy, and the pants themselves are stretchy as well. I feel like the fit was still okay, as you guys will see in the try on portion. I mean, at least I hope it looked okay on camera. I looked in the mirror and I was like, okay, I probably could have sized up, but I think these will still be fine. These are so nice. I'm always looking for pants like this to be able to wear to work. I feel like I'm always on the hunt for pants like this that look professional but are super comfortable. If you guys are new to the channel, I am a teacher, so when I have meetings with parents and administration, I try to look a little bit more put together. So these are definitely going to be thrown into the rotation. I love them a lot. These were a 2X. I'm typically a 3X, so keep that in mind, but they also had these in a bunch of different colors as well. Okay, and then the last pair of pants I got were yoga pants. These were also a 2X, and they're not the same yoga pants as the black ones that I showed you. These are called Halo Tech Air. Stay cozy in our feel-good fabric. This is your comfy go-to for the office or your couch. Soft, 4-way stretch, breathable. This is definitely a thicker yoga pant than the first one. It does not have that V-neck cut on the waist. And did I say it's thicker? I cannot remember. But these are slightly more like wide at the bottom, so these are not going to hug your ankles. Super cute. I did not try them on because I know they would be a little too tight, and these are in a really pretty green color, but I think I actually want to go on and order these in a 3X because I've always wanted a pair of yoga pants that are not like skin tight down there. What are they even called? Like straight leg? I don't know, but I just think they're adorable. So I will have these linked down below anyway, even though I did try them on. So that was everything that I got from Halara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you guys are going to make a purchase on the Halara website, code Nicole332 will get you guys 15% off of any full price items. So definitely save that money and get you some really cute and comfortable clothes. I think that is it. I will see you guys in my next video.